Welcome to ProxyGeo channel. In this video, we will instruct you to buy Twitter proxy at ProxyGeo to manage unlimited Twitter accounts. ProxyGeo.com is the most recommended Twitter proxy seller. With a variety of packages, you can choose any proxy package that makes your needs. You can buy one of the following proxy package to manage Twitter accounts as your need: USA Private Proxy or UK Private Proxy, USA Rotating Proxy, Vietnam Residential Proxy, USA Stated Proxy IPv6, or USA Rotating Proxy IPv6. We make sure to provide the best quality Twitter proxy with security, privacy, cheap price, and excellent customer support. To buy Twitter proxy at proxygeo.com, you need to visit this site. Then click on Sign in here. Then you launching your account at proxygeo.com. If you don't have any account yet, click on Sign up here to register an account. After that, you click on Order New Proxies. Then select the type of proxy that you want to buy. For example, I buy USA Private Proxy. Click on this one. Then you can see the different packages here. Click on the package that you want to buy. I click on 1 month package. Then scroll down to take out payment details. Next, you enter the number of proxy that you want to buy into the quantity section here. For example, I put 10. You will get 1% discount for every order of 100 proxies, up to 10%. Next, at payment currency, leave the session at the default USD. Next, payment method sessions. You can pay for the proxy with 2 payment methods: ProxyGeo Wallet or the Visa or MasterCard here. In case you select the first option, ProxyGeo Wallet, you need to top up your ProxyGeo wallet by click on Deposit here. Then you will see the different methods to top up your ProxyGeo wallet. First, if you want to top up your wallet with crypto via Coinbase automatically, you click on this. Then you enter the deposit amount here. For example, I enter 200. Then click Submit. Then you can pay with any cryptocurrency wallet here. Secondly, if you want to top up your wallets with Visa or MasterCard Stripe automatically, you click on this one. Then enter the deposit amount here. Then click Submit. Next, you need to fulfill this information. Then click on this one. Next, click Pay to deposit your ProxyGeo wallet. After you complete one of these 2 auto deposit methods, your ProxyGeo wallet will be deposited automatically within 5 minutes. You come back to your account. Then see the account balance change to $200 US here. In case the amount you deposited has not been added to your account, please contact us for support. In case you want to top up your ProxyGeo wallet manually, you click on this one. Scroll down, you will see the different payment methods. Select one of these payment methods, make payment, then contact us to show the payment proof. We will have you deposit your ProxyGeo wallet manually. After depositing your ProxyGeo wallet, back to the payment details here. Scroll down. Then tick on I have read and agree to term of use of proxygeo.com. You can click on term of use to read it. Finally, you click buy now. Remember that the account balance in your ProxyGeo wallet must be more than the total shopping bill here. In case you want to pay with Visa or MasterCard Stripe, you click on this option at Payment Method section. Then click on I have read and agree to term of use of proxygeo.com. Next, click buy now. Then you need to fulfill the required information here. Finally, you click subscribe. Remember that if you paid with Visa or MasterCard, your proxy package will be renewed automatically. After buying proxy, you click on proxy management here. Then select the type of proxy that you buy. I click on USA private proxy. You can see the provided proxy here. You need to assign a SEX ID for authorization before using this proxy. Assigning a SEX ID will help you enhance security, control the online access to these proxies, and prevent frauds. First, you need to select the proxy that you want to assign a SEX ID. Next, visit whatismyipaddress.com. Then copy the IPv4 here. Back to your proxy management. Click on Assign a SEX ID. Then paste the copy proxy here. Click Submit. Then you will see the Edit IP in the IP's Allow Access column here. Next, to export the proxy in a text file, you select the proxy that you want to export. Then click on Export File. Open this file, then you can see the exported proxy in this text file. Now I will instruct you to use this proxy on Firefox browser. On Firefox browser, you visit whatismyipaddress.com to see the existing IP, IPv4 here. Next, to use proxy, you open new tab, click on this icon, select Manage More Settings, then to type Network here. Click on Setting at Network Settings here. Then click on Manual Proxy Configuration. Next, you add the IP and port. You paste the IP here. Next, the port. Remember to tick on Show you this proxy for HTTPS. Finally, you click OK. After adding proxy, you back to what is my bitaddress.com, relog this page. Then you will see the IPv4 changed to this IP. Now I will launching a Twitter account with this new IP. You visit twitter.com. Then launching an account here. This is the account username. Then the password. Then you can do anything with this account. Now we change to another IP and then launching another Twitter account. You back to setting, then click on setting at network setting here. Similarly, you will change to another IP and port. Take this one. Then the port. Then you click OK. Back to what is mybitaddress.com, relog this page. Then you will see the IPv4 changed to this IP. Now you can launching another Twitter account with this IP. Visit twitter.com again. Another Twitter username. Then password. Then you can see you're launching another Twitter account with another IP here. Similarly, you can manage many Twitter accounts with different IPs from the purchased proxies. So we have just instructed you to buy cheap Twitter proxy at proxygeo.com to manage unlimited Twitter accounts. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more useful videos. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.